All right, D6. Determine whether the expressions are equivalent. Let's work on this left side over here. Rewrite it. So I have plenty of space. And again, we're trying to figure out if they are equivalent. It's a question. 8x times 3x plus 1. Let's do the easy side. The right side, yellow here. Remember, we are essentially distributing here. This is going to be multiplied to each of these terms. So 8x times the 3x, and then the 8x times the 1. So what do we get? We get 24x squared, because remember, x squared is just x times x, which you have right there and there. 8x times 1 is just 8x, and remember 8x is positive. That's why I'm writing a plus sign there. Okay, and that's it. Those are not like terms. You cannot add them. Do not add 24 plus 8. That does not equal 32x squared. That does not equal 32x cubed. It's just like that. All right, let's look over here. Let's see what we got to do. I have that 8x, and I'm going to, again, distribute to each of those terms. Why am I distributing? Because that means multiplying. How do I know to multiply? There is no plus or minus right there. And it is implied when they are next to each other to multiplication, like a dot. Dot, see? Okay, let's multiply them. So I have 8x, 8x. So 8x times the 2x, right here. And then the 8x times the 1. So let's simplify that. Now, I'm going to drop down something here because a lot of students forget stuff like this, okay? That's where we go line by line. Super helpful. 8x times 2x is 16x squared. 8x times 1 is 8x, and it's positive. That's why I wrote a plus 1, and I have 8x squared here. Well, I got to do something here. I have like terms here. Do you see how they both have an x squared? So now I'm just going to focus on the number in front. 16 plus 8 gives me 24x squared. And this one has no other terms that have just an x. All right, let's take a look. 8x, 24x squared, positive 8x, positive ax. Yes! The expressions are the same. What's the word for another same? Equivalent. After simplifying. I'll give you a real life example and then this should make sense to you. Yes, the expressions are equivalent after simplifying. These questions are basically kind of asking, right, like think about money. You guys all like money. It's kind of like, is 4 quarters equal to $1? Is 4 quarters equal to 10 dimes? Is 10 dimes equal to 100 pennies? Does that make sense? They're just asking, are they the same? And so we just apply our math operations to that. So that's it. That's D6.